Hello, everybody. The main problem with all of us is whenever we fail in something or when we lose something, we come to a conclusion that everything is gone and we forget about what we really have. So when you get knocked down, beside, you will act like a winner. Get up quickly, take action, and astound the world. I will tell you about one Hungarian army soldier, Karoly Takacs. In 1938, Karoly Takacs of the Hungarian army was a top pistol shooter in the world. He was expected to win the gold in 1940 Olympics. He was practicing so well. Till then, he was competing in all the national level, state level, all competitions, and he was the winner. He was just waiting for the Olympics to come. Those expectations vanished one terrible day just months before the Olympics. While training with his army squad, a hand grenade exploded in Takacs' right hand, and Takacs' shooting hand was blown off. Takacs spent a month in the hospital, depressed at loss of his hand. It's quite natural for everybody, like he was such a pistol shooter and he was expecting to win in the Olympics, and unfortunately he lost his right hand. Just imagine how shattered he would have been. That the dream was an Olympics dream which was shattered. At that point, most people would have quit, and they would have probably spent the rest of their life feeling sorry for themselves and even the bed. They won't even get up. They'll feel so sick. They'll feel that the life is over. And most people would have quit, but not Takacs. He did not quit. What he did? Are you interested to know what Takacs did? Takacs was a winner. A winner's mindset he had. Winners know that they can't let circumstances keep them down. They understand that life is hard and that they can't let life beat them down. Winners know in their heart that quitting is not an option at all. Takacs did the unthinkable, that normally any human won't think like that. He picked up himself, dusted himself off, and decided to learn how to shoot with his left hand. His reasoning was, he simply asked himself, why not?
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
Instead of focusing on what you don't have, a winner will focus on what he has. He decided to focus on what he did have: incredible mental toughness and a healthy left hand that with time could be developed to shoot like a champion. So he started training himself by shooting with his left hand. For months, Takacs practiced by himself. Nobody else knew about it. And maybe he didn't want to subject himself to people who most certainly would have discouraged him from doing this. In the spring of 1939, he showed up at the Hungarian National Pistol Shooting Championship. Other shooters approached Takacs to give him their condolences and to congratulate him on having the strength to come and watch the shoot. They were surprised when he said, I did not come to watch any game. I came here to compete. I'm a player. I'm a participant. They were even more surprised when Takacs won. The 1940 and 1944 Olympics were cancelled because of the World War II, and it looked like Takacs' Olympic dream would never have a chance to realize itself. But Takacs kept on practicing, and in 1944, he qualified for the London Olympics, and at the age of 38, Takacs won the gold medal and set a new world record in pistol shooting. 4 years later, Takacs won the gold medal again in 1952 in Helsinki. Olympics was his dream and he could achieve it. Takacs, a man with a mental toughness to bounce back from anything, whatever it may be. Winners in every field have a special trait that helps them become unstoppable, a special characteristic that allows them to survive major setbacks on the road to success. Because when you walk in the road of success, definitely you will see a lot of road blockers as well as the setbacks. You need to recover quickly, and bouncing back is very, very important there. And winners bounce back quickly. The reason quick recovery is important is that if you recover quickly, you don't lose your momentum and your drive. Takacs recovered in only 1 month. And if we had valued his misery, I mean, if he had given importance to what he has lost, he could not have done this or achieved this. If he had played the martyr and felt sorry for himself much longer, he would have lost his mental edge, his eye of the tiger, and he never would have been able to come back at all. To get these kind of short, inspiring, you need to have a positive self-talk. You need to talk to yourself. Why should I focus on something which I don't have? Let me focus on what I still have. So what do we learn from here is Takacs definitely had a right to feel sorry for himself. He had a right to stay depressed and to ask himself, why me, for the rest of his life. He had the right to ask like a mediocre man. Takacs could have let his terrible accident cause him to become permanently discouraged, to take up heavy drinking, to quit in life of everything and go into depression. But he did not behave like a loser. But Takacs made the decision to dig deep inside and to find a solution, to pick himself up and to learn to shoot all over again. Winners always search for a solution. Losers always search for an escape. Next time you get knocked down, my dear ladies and gentlemen, decide you will act like a winner. Decide to act like Takacs. Get up quickly, take action, and astound the world. Stay blessed.